Alright everybody, I'm just doing a quick video here, just an update on the FTMO challenge that we have started. If you don't remember, go check out the video that I posted just before this one. All the ones on the third attempt are green, so be sure to check that out. I'm just logging onto the VPS here so I can show you guys anything that's happening. Okay, so we're all set up here. So as you can see, this is the overall, or this is our stats on the FTMO challenge right now. As you can see, we started on July 27th, and depending on how well we do, if we fail, it ends on the 9th, and if it doesn't fail and we continue to do well, then we're going to take that an extra week longer, which would take us to, let's see here, so the 9th would take us to the 16th. We have a $10,000 account. And as you can see here, we have our current objectives, which is we can't go anything lower, or a drawdown of 500 max daily, and then the overall is 1,000, and our profit target is 500. So what I wanted to show you today is just kind of the profit that we've been making over the past few days. As you can see, our average profit is around $21, average loss is around 9. We've taken 17 trades. And if you take a look at our lot size, it's the base one is starting at 13, but as you can see, I still believe that the XBot, even if you choose a fixed lot, the way the bot works, it's going to open up bigger lot sizes because that's just how the bot functions. I don't really know the reason why. That'd be something that I would have to look into, but why I was saying 0.13 would be a good lot size is because it gives a little bit of room to grow if that did happen, and as you can see, it does. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to be the final lot size that we're going to choose. I think it may even have to go a little lower just in case, because if we do scroll back up here, we can see that our deepest drawdown that we've gotten so far is just under $200. So it means that you know, it's not like at a 50% to this max daily loss, but you know, it's getting there, and this was only on maybe a few hours, maybe half a day of drawdown. So I'm curious what it would be again if we were to have a full week of drawdown, and how far would this dip. But as you can see, the profits are coming in quite nicely. If I take a look at my phone here, I can probably give you guys an idea of kind of how much each one, well, I can actually scroll down here so we can kind of see our profit anywhere from $17 or $5 all the way up to $30 or $39, depending on the pair and what was happening in the market. So we're slowly chipping away to get closer and closer to our $500 target, but and we still have some time, especially if we don't fail, because that, like I was saying, if we don't fail, then we're definitely going to be taking this to the 3 weeks, which will be to the 16th. So we definitely have a lot of time still. We just started this challenge a few days ago at the very beginning of the week, so a lot of room for us to still hit this target. I'm glad that there's only one active trade right now, which is Euro GDP, and we're about $19 in drawdown. And it's just been running fairly well. Besides that, we haven't had very many drawdown. I mean, I think the longest, like I said, was maybe half a day, maybe a full day of drawdown, but all the pairs eventually closed, and we were able to gain all the profit and very little swap fee because of the profit that we were bringing in. So overall, I feel like it's going fairly well. I believe that we have a good settings as of right now, but it is a little too early, I believe, to kind of make an assessment. If we started on the 27th and we're only on the 29th, we're only a few days in, and we still have potentially 2 weeks, 3 weeks left if we don't just flunk this right away. That's pretty much it. I haven't really changed anything. I can show you guys right here just to make sure that you guys know that my settings are legitimate. So we did turn off the auto lot because we are not using the auto lot on anymore. We are choosing a fixed lot, and just like I was saying before, just because it's fixed at 13, it's going to open trades at 13 to begin with. And then just like the bot or the XXX bot does, it's going to open up positions that are a little bit bigger as the market decides to go in another direction, the opposite direction that you want it to go. And that's just to mitigate risk, and so that it doesn't have to come to the very starting point again for it to close all of its positions. We haven't changed any of the risk. It's always low risk, and we took off safe mode, and it is false. I was considering changing the take profit to around 25, but again, I don't want to play with that yet. I want to exhaust our options on the fixed lot size, which I believe is the trick to passing the challenge, and then the longevity of not being able to hit any of those max drawdowns or the daily max drawdown, and just being able to just let the bot run without there being any troubles. So you can see that all of our settings are fine for this, so I'm going to close the VPS now. That's pretty much it for this video. Usually the second video midweek or near the end of the week is a quick one, just because I'm going over what's happened, and just a quick overview of the numbers. Our win rate is not bad, 64%. That's pretty good. And as you can see here, the profits right here. So as you can see, I guess a normal profit day would be around the $80 mark. So that's something to look to. But besides that, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any suggestions, or you guys have any ideas on how we can tweak the bot, XXX bot, a little bit better, so that we can not only pass a challenge, but continue after the challenge has been passed and not hitting any of those drawdown limits. So that's pretty much it. I appreciate anyone that's taken the time to watch. Again, this is just a short video, just going over our stats, and take a look at our graph. It's slowly growing here. There's no sharp movements down, and that's what I like to see. Again, we're using the swing account so we can hold our trades over the weekend and throughout any news that comes out. Really happy with that. And that's it. So hope everyone has a good afternoon, and please like and subscribe. Take care.